Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the TONOR USB microphone kit. Q9 condenser, computer cardioid, mic for podcast, game, YouTube video, stream, recording music, and voiceover. Great sound of fidelity. This microphone makes a new breakthrough on sound recording. The break Cardioid did polar patterns helps to capture sounds with high fidelity. Equipped with a 16mm large diaphragm, wide frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and professional sound chip. Q9 microphone provides a perfect combination of clarity, warmth, extended dynamic range, and high SPL capability. And here it is. We are going to open the box and have a look what's inside. It is plug and play with USB A to B cable. The microphone is easy to connect with both Mac and Microsoft Windows computers. You do not need any extra driver software or sound card. It is perfect for podcast, music, video recording, live streaming, gaming, or online chatting. It is a complete microphone set. The package includes a condenser microphone, adjustable suspension scissors, arm stand, desk mount clamp, metal shock mount, a pop filter, a foam mic cover, a 1.8-meter USB A to B cable, and of course a manual. All in one helps you get rid of the trouble of purchasing accessories. It is user-friendly design with a convenient volume button. The TONOR Q9 recording microphone is much easier to use. It is working status short press for adjusting the mic gain level. 3 seconds long press for turning off the microphone. It provides a awesome and high quality standard on board. And now we are going to switch to the mic, which I'm going to voice over this awesome video. Let's go. So let's try. Plug and play. No need additional drivers. It's a easy to use microphone and its compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome and Linux. The excellent sound quality you are hearing now, whether you're a singer, a musician, a podcaster, a gamer, or a video maker like me, this outstanding quality microphone will provide you clearer, richer, and warmer record sound, as you are hearing now. Complete microphone set. It includes a condenser microphone, a table mount clamp, a metal shock mount, a pop filter. The pop filter is a nice gimmick in this set. The suspension scissors, arm stand, and a foam windscreen and USB cable, of course. If you are unable to use a microphone due to the version of your computer system or other reasons, you can contact TONOR for help, of course. This is the service of this brand. It is good for condenser microphone use. It is a cardioid pickup, 16mm diaphragm, anti-noise technology, and 0 seconds delay for macOS, Windows, Chrome, and Linux. USB plug and play. No need to install any driver. No need to buy power supply peripherals, because the USB port will get the power into the microphone. Of course, you have to think about if you are using a portable smartphone or a portable tablet, the mic will use the power of it fast. But it is a normal situation, because if you like a good sound, you need power. The plus and the minus, it is the gain level to adjust the volume of the microphone. Designed with a blue light switch indicator on the front. And the technical parameters are: the mic is 16 millimeters large diaphragm, frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, the sample rate is 48 kHz, and the polar patterns are Cardioid condenser. The bit rate is 16-bit, the SNR is 97 decibel. Ooh, this is nice. And you can hear it in this video that the sound is better than the sound of my high price device, because before I set or switch to the to this mic, I was using the intern microphone of Apple iPad Pro, and this is an expensive part, but this microphone has a better and clearer sound for it. You can hear it now. It is better and easy to use, and I will produce some videos until now with this microphone. I like it really much, really much. It has everything on board, plug and play. You do not need to install any kind of driver. I'm using only a cable for USB-C up to USB, and then I push it into position and I can start working. And you have a delicate voice. It has a noise reduction, a Cardioid pickup, and a 16 millimeter diaphragm. All things. And user-friendly operation. That means short press plus or minus that will increase or reduce the volume by 5%. And if you are pushing longer the buttons on the mic, it will turn off the microphone. Blue light is off too after this. And you have everything in the box. I will use it. I will use it for podcasts, I think. And you can use it for online gaming, of course, play some instruments, and of course singing. But my voice is not for a singer, isn't it? So I like this very much, and now let's try it. In the video you can see my setup. I have there a standard desktop, and I clamp the holding system with a spider on top of this, and now I am plug in or slide in the microphone into the holding system, and this is a free like a gimbal. For video it's a gimbal, for microphones I think it's a spider, and this will reduce some sound which are going to get scratching, etc. Now I plugged in it by using the USB cable, and for example here it's a pop filter, a pop protection unit, and this protection unit will protect your microphone from spittings, and of course will protect your microphone from your breath. Now, if you are having getting some sound out of your mouth, you will blow air outside. This is normal, so it works your voice, and this will cover this sound out of it. It is a nice and easy device, and it is easy to install, as you can see. And now the setup is ready. If you have some windy area, you can use this pop filter or this pop protection too. If you are using the microphone in your hand, for example. And now, for example, I'm using the Apple iPad Pro. You can use your computer, your MacBook, or other USB powered phones. USB-C, for example. USB powered phones is the same like here. Smartphones, tablets, etc. Everything is possible because today's devices has a sound system on board, a sound system, and now I plugged in it by using a wire here, a connecting wire to USB, and now I'm connecting the microphone, and job's done. This is all. Now we can start and have a try of using this microphone and the different thing. But you hear the different all the time now.
Mi, ma, 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 hallo, ma, ma, mi, ma, ma, ma. Mi, ma, mo, mama, pipi, kaka, hofflol, la.
So let's go and have a checkup what's going on with and without pop filter. So I'm now blowing in without pop filter. Oh. And now let's do the same with pop filter. You can hear the difference, isn't it? It is much better with pop filter if you have a windy surface. I'm going to like it, and I will use it for all of my podcasts now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.